and that is the only live Russ adds. Luckily, these doors are non-glass. The floor 2 is so severely builded. So if you want to look, then I will go right there. What did I do not know about that? Dad. Can I go to that place that I do not know about? Can I go there? And now, let's have an explore around that place. This is a place that I do not know about. As you may know, the floor 3 is locked. So, this is spooky. I'm now into a place that I do not know about. This some things. This shop is similar to others. I think this shop is a bit similar to others. But all this is a shop that is a department store that I do not know about. But I do not know about all this. Only the thing that I do know of all is the lifts. The lifts are very nice Marriott Courts. I do not know if that shop is shut down. But anyway, I just watched a new big sun and all this. The floor 3 is now gone. This is a bit of similar to all this. That the only floor was gone is 3. And now, let's go again on that place that I do not know about. So, let's go! There are not enough people on that place. Well, where are some people? This place is a lot of washing machines. And dishwashers and also it has rice. Water. This is a very nice machine. Oh, sorry, it's a Bosch. This is a Perry machine that I just know when I was little, when I watched Matthew Senior's videos. Well, but now when I was little I liked it, but I now used to hate him since I am now 11 years old and I like lift and go to make videos. There are some things that are just like Alders. The only floor here is closed is 3, but in Alders they're closed floors 2, 3, and 4. The only floors left that open the basement, ground floor, mezzanine, and first floor. And this is a washing machine that I do not know about. Very weird. Yes. To be posted this on YouTube. How it is even gonna open this freaking door? Shit. I'm not breaking it. I just looking to the right to open the washing machine door. you even thinking about looking of these shoes? You are going into a second wedding, huh? Man, it is hot in here. I'm very. Hey, Dad. What about this? You are looking for your own stuff. Let's put the talent on the floor. Okay. And my t-shirt. This place is a cover, and it's very hot in here. Well, spooky. The floor 3 is now locked off. It is now gone forever. Spooky. The only person left it open in the basements, the car parks, and semi-basement, ground floor, and first floor and second floor. On second floor is the floor that I am right now. Which they all, but instead of having Spanish words, it also have English words. Let's get back to the ground floor and then let's get it shown in the road. Ah, who said that? I do not know about that. These are the staircases, and you see only assess staff. The floor 4 is an office. What? How is it even P? And that's the lift. Let's get back to the ground floor in the lift. I am in lift number 2. Let's go to ground. Here we go. How did I? Is leaving stopping first? Get off the doors, sir. Heaven ground. Horrible slough doors. The doors have been now turned into slough. The lift on the right is in basement level 1. The lift on the middle is here where we previously ridden. And the lift on the left is also in basement level 1. So this is a very bad thing. Awesome charm. Awesome. The lift is now gone. But now the lift on the left is in first. And now into the electronic zone. There was some laptops that I didn't know about. I have one who's like this, but in white. And that is the only computer that I have out of 10. Out of 10, I mean, I built a skyscraper, see. Hey, that computer is wasting his own time. Heh heh. These are non-laptops. And there was there's a non-laptop, but I don't know. And it's tactile. Very weird. I do not know the password, so I will skip it. Hey, is a computer turned on? It's not tactile. This is the worst computer ever. I did not know what these things are. And now, moving on. What was that? This is a Samsung tablet. It is the most biggest tablet ever. So there is no YouTube, I think. Let's go and now let's look in apps to see if there is YouTube. I want to watch some YouTube videos on this bigger tablet that I did not know about. Let's go to YouTube. The connection is not. Stupid computer. Stupid tablet, I mean. But it's not really a computer. And now there is YouTube, but there's no connection. This is a Samsung tablet. It also has YouTube. I do not know if the network is available with YouTube. Let's continue in the rest of the tour. These are the video games, and there's things that I do not know about. And there is a Princess Daisy amiibo, which I did not know that character was Luigi's girlfriend, who was also one of my favorite characters along with her. And now, moving on into the next. And now, moving on. There was a thing that I did not. Wow, there's a new styles of washing machines that I did not know about. Okay. You know something else? And now, here we are, escalators. It's escalator serving time. Let's go. You stay here, okay? Understand? Well, but I'm going down to the bottom. You just need to know about how I am doing this escalator serving time. But and now that I'm out in the bottom, so now you need to get off the video. Oh no, now that there's no one to tell me off, so I'm going to show how this gonna stop. I'm gonna stop at escalators. So if I wish that I could stop the escalator, so now there's no one here, so I could stop the escalators.